Alright guys, I'm back with my auntie. We're going to cook her famous cabbage in the family. And you're going to start out with a clean pan. We're using a big one. And she's going to put in some oil.
Olive oil.
Just olive oil? Can you use any other oil?
You can.
But
If you can
we use
afford
olive
this.
oil. And make sure it's cold pressed. We don't measure either, so just enough. We just cook. We see it by the eye, we feel it, we don't measure. So
for the cabbage, we cut the onions long to
okay.
separate them.
So this is the magic to the green. Add all the colors of your green peppers. You got green, red, yellow.
Exactly.
And cut them in long stripes versus cute. But if that's what you want, it's okay too. This one, it looks much better.
So for this one, the onions, we just want them to get that flavor, but you don't really cook them to get them soft.
Okay.
So we're gonna, at this point, we're gonna put the cabbage, show the cabbage over there.
Take your cabbage, put it all in the pan with the warm onions and your colored green peppers.
At this point, I add more color.
And then you add in more color on top of that. So we're building up layers of color and flavor.
Now, I have my salt shaker, the big one.
Salt.
I don't measure, I just shake it on.
My auntie's so funny, y'all.
Shake it on.
She just shake it on. She don't measure. You know what this reminds me of? You know in Ginger how they used to do the pork, the fried pork with the cabbage? This is what that reminds me of.
That's the thing. Okay.
Look at all that color, look at all that. So yummy. So we're gonna put in more cabbage. Then we're gonna add in more color. This is about the layers, y'all. It's how you layer your cabbage and your green peppers to get all those flavors and all those colors right in it.
Every time you add a layer, you shake your
Some more salt onto it.
Little bit.
She got a shiver dance. It's so cute. And then you mix it up. This is why I can never figure out how your cabbage was always so perfect. I got the secret, yo. How long does it take for it to be all ready? Because we don't cook it all the way to soft. You just want a little bit of crunch.
So for this one, when it starts to make fluids, to produce fluid on the bottom, and you know it's time to take it off.
Okay. Alright, so it's not ready quite yet.
We're not going to cover it because when you cover, then you overcook.
Okay.
This you do when you have time to be there and watch it. You don't cook it when you have other things to do.
Okay.
Because you come out wrong.
Gotcha. All those colors.
So that's it for the cabbage. It's done. It's starting to produce some liquid on the bottom.
And that's how you know it's ready.
So we are ready for it.
Easy, quick, but very delicious and very colorful. That's it, y'all. See why I come to my auntie to cook? Because she got all these tricks to the best bomb food. It's all done. So we're going to heat and put a cabbage in a bowl. And there you have it, guys. Ready to serve, ready to eat. Quick and easy. Few minutes.